credit for that. But what you get to know and what I want you to walk away with is not only is it the longest war in our history, but it is the first time in American history that we were involved in an international conflict that the outcome was not what we wanted.
My name is Anna Tufui and you are?
Mr. Gallagher?
What is the importance of this memorial?
Well, first of all, it's a great opportunity for us here in Hilo to view a replica of the memorial for the Vietnam veterans that's actually in Washington, D.C. It's gone to over 600 communities, local organizations, fundraise to get that here in Hilo. Significance of it is a memorial to the Vietnam veterans, those who fought and those who died during that war. This is an honor that was forgoed when they first were fighting the war. There was a lot of derision and dispute over the war itself at the time. And so those veterans did not receive the hero's welcome that every other military person in the history of the United States had received.
Trying to hide us all over again. This is the black ash of shame. This is horrible. And they continued to attack it. And when we said, no, we know you're going to love it, they continued to attack it. And it wasn't until they started to attack her. We had 1,421 entries, and we had 8 judges. Some of them were artists, some of them were architects, some of them were veterans. Those judges judged for 3 days, and at the end of 3 days, those judges all decided that there was one unanimous victor.
Next time on True Lives.
I really did mean for people to cry.
A young student caught in the crossfire of art and politics.
Obviously, a lot of people are going to be extremely offended.
Her Vietnam memorial helped heal a nation.
You read a name or touch a name, and the pain will come out.
Her work continues to inspire. The Academy Award-winning Maya Lin, a strong, clear vision.
So this is very significant for that generation. This is an opportunity for us to rectify those mistakes, to where they can have that sense of closure and can also spend time, their families, their buddies, their friends, and even those survivors have an opportunity here in Hilo to have that chance for that closure and to honor those who passed during that war.